Oppo Find X7 Ultra powered by 4 cameras. Use can cover the entire focal length. In particular, it is equipped with Sony LYT 9001 inch outsole main camera for the first time, which shows amazing capability whatever it is landscape or multifocal portrait shooting. Combined with the newly created Hasselblad Tune, X7 Ultra is equipped with 2.7x, 3x plus 6x dual periscope lenses. One of the dual periscope lenses will achieve 6x optical zoom equivalent to 135 mm. The 3x periscope telephoto design is probably aimed at a portrait photography scenarios. Many users may be wondering what the difference is between Find X7 Ultra and Find X7 Pro in addition to the certain difference in ultra wide angle lens. It is reported that Find X7 Ultra will support satellite communication technology. The front will use LTPO AMOLED screen, support HDR10+, 120, has a refresh rate and high frequency eye protection diamond technology. Find X7 Ultra comes with E7 2K which supports cover screen design, 6.28 inches large screen and a resolution of 2K. The key is that there will be a new 3-stage button and ultra-thin optical fingerprint solution to provide users with a smoother interactive experience. The core will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with LPDDR5X plus USF 4.0 combination storage option up to 16GB plus 1TB. The core will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with LPDDR5X plus USF 4.0 combination storage option up to 16GB plus 1TB. 5500 mAh battery, 100W fast charging capability. The launch date included 3 models: Find X7, Find X7 Pro, Find X7 Ultra 5G will be unveiled in January-February 2024 in China.